Good morning. I wanted to show you how we could make Schoology really very young kid friendly by using icons that are clickable. For example, I'm here in my sandbox course and I created this zoom that you can just click on and it'll go to zoom. So how did I do that? All right. So first of all, you find yourself an icon. You can go to Google Images and let's say you want to create an icon for Zoom. Zoom, and you find this one. Click on it, and to make a screenshot, I push Command Shift 4 at the same time. Notice how the hand icon changes to a plus. And then I hold my mouse down and pull it across it, and it will make a screenshot of that image and it will save it onto my desktop. So now I go back into Schoology, my sandbox course, and I go and I add materials. Add materials up here. And I add a page. And in this page, I'm going to call it Zoom Test Link. I will add a link. No, actually, I'm not going to add a link. I'm going to add an image or media. I'm going to attach the screenshot that I got. It's right there. No, it's actually not. Desktop. This is the very last. I sort them by date modified, so the newest one is always on top. Click the screenshot. Okay, it uploads it, and then I can add a link. And the Zoom link, you would have your own special Zoom link, but let's say it was you just wanted it to be zoom.com, okay? And you go there, you find the link, you do a copy of that link, select it, and do a Command C, which will copy it. Go back over here, and you can add that link. You're going to select it first and add the link. And then you insert it, okay? And also what you can do is you can resize it by clicking on it again, and you can make it smaller, and then you can have a bunch of, let's say you have one page with all the programs that you want to use. I found that you could resize them to smaller. If you wanted to show up on the page with the icon, then you click here this button, Display on New Page, and that will display inline, and then you say Create. So in your materials now, you will have something that is Zoom. Your Zoom link is ready to be clicked on and to go to. It'll open a new page and it's inline. That's how you get the icon to be there, okay? And let me show you, for example, I created a folder, and you can do the same thing with a folder. You create a folder in materials, add new folder, and I'm going to put in the programs that I think I'm going to use, and I reduce the size of their icons so that you can put them side by side, and then the kids can scroll through. I didn't want to all put it onto the materials page because I wanted there to be a structure, and I don't want everything to be there and get confusing. So my structure is going to be, I have a Bitmoji classroom that you can click on. That's another session, session that I'm going to teach you about. And then I have Zoom, that's what they need to click on. I'm going to have my weekly plans where I'm going to put each week's plans in. I'm going to have programs we use and tools we use, and there I have manipulatives, for example. So if I click on that, here we go, and we can click on the virtual manipulatives and go there. I hope this is helpful.